We have two 13 millimeter open end box end wrenches, and we're going to tighten the 4 bolts to the motor mount. The way I like to tighten bolts is in a pattern. We'll get them snug, and then we'll do a crisscross pattern so they're tightened up evenly on the motor mounts. Okay, now that they're snug, we can go on a crisscross pattern to fully tighten the bolts. Okay, then I'm going to flip over to the other side and do the left rear, right front. Then let's go reverse the other side and do the right front. Now that we have the front brace on, let's lift the chipper out and remove the block again. In the other bubble wrapped bracket is the actual handle for the chipper shredder. So we have the handle. It's going to go on here. What we have is 2 10 millimeter open box end wrenches. We have washers, nuts, and bolts, and we're going to bolt the handle onto the hopper. Let's mount the handle now. We have bolts go in from the outside. All of these nuts have nylon lock nut inserts, so due to the vibration, they aren't going to rattle loose and fall inside of the hopper. Okay, let's move the camera over to the other side, get the other side. Whatever you do, don't drop the nuts down into the hopper. You'll have to take the whole thing apart to get them out. Not a good idea. Now that we have the nuts on, let's go ahead and tighten these things up. Let's get the other side. Okay, we'll check the other side for tightness, and that should be it on the assembly. Don't go too tight. These are small bolts. You don't want to shear them off. Just enough so that the handle is not going to jiggle up and down. So that looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the manual and see what else we need to do.